Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a massive apartment haul, and then everything that I haul we are going to set up together. So if you didn't know, I just moved into a new apartment for my senior year of college. I got a ton of stuff for the apartment, and this is just like starting out, but I went to Target, Home Goods, and then I ordered like 2 things off of Amazon. But anyways, yeah, so I think this is gonna be like my moving in vlog part 2. My last video was part 1. And then I think there's just gonna continuously be a ton of parts coming because setting up the apartment is gonna be like an ongoing thing until school starts. Anyways, let's start with the haul. I'm so excited. I'm gonna start with Target first. The first thing I got was this entire ceramic non-stick cookware set. It literally comes with so much, but I feel like that's gonna be very much necessary when I start cooking in this kitchen. I just wanna open up like one of the... Okay, let's calm down. Why isn't this coming out? Oh my gosh, that thing was wrestling me. Okay, these look super nice. So I'm gonna have to see how these actually function when I'm using them and cleaning them and everything. But they're cute. They're like this dark gray color and then a lighter gray inside, and it's ceramic non-stick, which is really nice. And then it has rubbered handles, which is a must because metal handles literally get so hot. This is also gonna be randomly going from like kitchen to bedroom. I got this comforter. This is the Casaluna cambray cotton comforter set. Just like a white textured basic comforter. I actually got the king size, but we have a queen bed. But I honestly feel like queen comforters on queen beds, they don't like go down enough, if that makes sense. Like maybe the one that I have at home is like a full/queen and that's why it's smaller, but I would just rather like a bigger comforter, and then it like covers more of the mattress, especially as you'll see later in this video. Our mattress is like hella high up, so we'll see how that goes. The next thing we got was this knife set. This is the Schmidt Bros Jet Black series, the magnetic board that's flat, and then the knives kind of stick to it, and that's perfect because we honestly don't have that much counter space in this apartment. Okay, stop. The packaging, so good. This is what it looks like. It comes with a knife sharpener, and if you cook like even at all, dull knives are actually the worst, so thank goodness. All black, and then the blade is all black too, and the handle, that's gonna look so good. Okay, like I said too, this is gonna be the randomest assortment of kitchen to bedroom, but this is, I guess, like living room. I don't even know what this is, but I saw it, I was like, that would look so cute. Maybe on like the TV stand thing over there, like next to the TV, or eventually when we get another little entry table or something. It's just this like little marble structure type thing. I don't know, it's heavy as shit though. It's so heavy, but I'm excited about her. I feel like that's gonna look good. Okay, and then got some sheets, but they're just white sheets and they have these little like blue dots on them. I thought this was so cute. This is the Threshold brand, which is everywhere in Target, but it's 400 thread count, which I think is a lot of threads for a sheet. I don't know. Sheets are super cute. For the bathroom, I got these 2 little things. Our bathroom is pretty long, so we have a lot of space in the middle, so I thought we could put these there, and I would probably do like little face pads to use with like micellar water in this one, and then Q-tips in this one. I feel like that looks super cute. And then we got some utensils because like I said, we literally have nothing. So we needed utensils, and we got 2 of these. These are just the Threshold Signature Luxor flatware set. I feel like I'm weirdly picky. This might just be me, but like, have you ever held a fork or a spoon when you're eating it? Okay, there's also something in my eye. You know when you're like holding a fork and it just like doesn't feel right? Please tell me somebody knows what I'm talking about. These feel right. Like they're thick enough, heavy enough, but like not too much. If you know, you know. Like, I don't know why, but I have to eat with like certain forks. Like forks that are too flat, nope. Yeah, 2 of these. If you're like that and you're looking for utensils, these I feel like are the perfect feel. Oh my god, I forgot about this. This little throw blanket. Hopefully like the color is coming across, but it's like this cream color and then it has gray stripes going through it. I like the little frills on the end, and I think I am gonna put this at the end of the bed, but this also would look really good on this couch because we also have no decorative pillows, no blankets, no anything. So I might do the couch, but right now I think I'm gonna put this on the end of the bed to start. The last thing we got from Target is an absolute necessity. We got a mattress protector. Tell me why we moved our entire mattress without a mattress protector on it. So gross, that's actually vile, but we didn't have a choice. U-Haul didn't have any mattress covers, so we just had to stick it through. The next place I'm gonna do is Home Goods. I have to start with them. I have to start with them because I'm obsessed. I got the cutest martini glasses I have actually ever seen in my entire life. These are Home Goods, and then all the stuff up here is also Home Goods. Okay, here are the glasses. I'm literally obsessed. I saw these and to my boyfriend Jordan, I was like, yep, we have to get those. What? Hello? Stop. These are actually the cutest things ever. These little pink martini glasses, and then they have like the orange curved stem. That's literally so cute. I'm obsessed. And I got 4 of those, I believe. Let me... Stop. I'm literally pissing myself. Why is this so adorable? The next thing we got were just these little kitchen towels. Again, a lot of the stuff we're getting is a bunch of neutrals and basics because we don't know what kind of colors we want to bring in yet. But for right now, I feel like these are going to be perfect. Let me see if my camera will. They're just these white kitchen towels, and then they have some gray stripes on them. I thought that would go good with like literally everything. And then we got some little oven mitts, also a necessity. And then we got these. These are the Studio Bell dishcloths. Dishcloths are literally so good for wiping the counter though, so you don't have to use a ton of paper towel. You just wet these, put a little soap, and they do the same thing and they dry really quick. So I'm gonna use these to wipe the counters, maybe dry dishes, we will see. Okay, the next thing I got was this little like table decor, just like the marble thing. I think these things, I can pick this up with one hand. These things would actually look really cute on the table together. You see the vision, you see the vision. It's this little like glass globe ball thing, and then it has like gold detailing in it. We currently do not have a table that I feel like would be good to put those on, but eventually I'm hoping to get like a body mirror over there, like you guys can see it, behind the couch, and then maybe like a little behind the couch table or against the wall. And then I got these little measuring cups. I just thought these were super cute. I don't know if it's focusing, but it's like these beige measuring cups, and then it has a little bit of like gray speckles on it. See, I don't even remember what this is. Oh, a Pyrex measuring cup. We got 2 boxes of these Bedford Lane fine ceramic dinnerware set. And this comes with a plate, a dinner plate, a dessert plate, a little bowl, and a mug. I'm gonna pull these out now. I feel like it's super, of course, just like basic, but I think we wanna start out with a bunch of basics and then move to some more fun pieces once we have all of the basics in the apartment. But these are what the plates look like. Again, I feel like I'm kind of picky about plates. I don't know why, I actually have issues. I'll open these later when we're actually setting up the kitchen in a moment. The last thing we got from Home Goods was just this little trash can. I liked the wood top because I'm hoping that kind of goes with this. Now left is just the 2 things that I ordered off of Amazon. More stuff coming in from Amazon, but it didn't come in time, so like next video. I actually searched for like an hour to find the perfect soap dispenser because I feel like a lot of them, I was reading the reviews, they rust or leak or they just kind of like don't look great. These ones had amazing reviews and I think they're super cute, and I'm gonna put 2 of them in the bathroom, one on my sink, one on Jordan's sink, and then I'll probably put 2 of them in the kitchen here. The set came with 4 and I think it was like $8 or something. It was like not that expensive. And they're actual glass too, like they're not plastic. Okay, the last thing I got from Amazon was an amazing purchase. I also spent so much time on Amazon reading the reviews because I feel like you just don't know. So I read every single like cookware utensil review, and this one got the best. I'm trying to find a picture of this whole set just so you guys can see everything. I mean, you'll see it later when I set up the kitchen, but it comes with all of this in the set. Literally every single thing that you could possibly need, it's all in this mini box. But I pulled out some of the stuff and it actually feels like really good quality. It did come with measuring cups and I already bought the other ones, but we'll have those. It even came with these little pan grabbers. These could come in handy. Like honestly, like perfect. Like, okay, what if I broke one of those? I would actually, a little strainer one. Ew, why would I put it on the ground? Hold on. This little like strainer one. What else? I'll only open a few of them. This little spatula. I like how they have the metal, possibly stainless steel. It probably isn't, but like stainless steel handle and then like a rubber handle that you can hold on to. Because again, utensils literally get so hot. Honestly, we'll not have to buy another utensil for like the longest time unless something happens to these, because this comes with every single utensil you could possibly need. And there's like so much in the box. The spoon, spaghetti spoon, spoon, oh my gosh. Actually, unless I don't know if I'm gonna be able to package all this, a whisk, tongs, damn, this, I'm still reaching. A little like spatula, dang, a mini spatula, that's so cute. Another, okay, y'all, there's still stuff in here. What? It comes with this container that apparently all of this stuff fits in on the counter. We don't have that much counter space, and I'm never a huge fan of putting my utensils out on the counter just because of like dust, bugs. You never really know. We did find a roach in this apartment 10 minutes ago, so. Oh, that's exciting. But Jordan is currently here, so it is his time to shine and help me organize everything. We're starting with the bed. We're starting with the bedroom.
Tell me something, it might just take the pain away. See, I've been thinking a million things I want to say.
Top corners of the mattress. Check that all seams are aligned and pull both sides down evenly.
But I'm wandering to your lips. See, I'm trying to keep it cool while I'm hovering for the kiss. 'Cause I've been needing you like old-fashioned orange slice, sweet like daiquiri with strawberry crushed ice. Know you like a margarita with the hot spice. Love the taste of paradise. No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you.
Okay, the bed is set up, just the comforter and the sheets. Also, we set the sheets, but we're gonna have to wash them. They smell like badookie for real. And then we just have those two pillows right now, but we are doing a lot of white comforters, nightstands, stuff like that, especially since the paint is like a bit darker on that accent wall. We're gonna need a lot more pillows, but for now we have those two.
From a friend, but I never go. I never go. I never go. I started writing a DM, didn't sleep at all. Not awake that night. And every time I go out, I'm looking around to see you there. Where are you? And my heart skips beating when your perfume's in the air. 'Cause I've been needing you like
Okay, I ended up doing pots and pans on this side and then lids on this side just because I don't want things to get scratched, but definitely eventually I'm going to get some kind of like pot and pan organizer or maybe some like felt pads to put between those. But for now, I think this looks good and it works.
orange slice, sweet like daiquiri with strawberry crushed ice. Know you like a margarita with the hot spice. Love the taste of paradise. Yes, you do. No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you. No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you. Thinking of you. Yeah, I'll be thinking of you. There's nothing else I can do. So I'll be thinking of you. 'Cause I've been needing you like old-fashioned orange slice, sweet like daiquiri with strawberry crushed ice. I know you like your margaritas with the hot spice, and love the taste of paradise. No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you. No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline.
Okay, we just finished organizing everything. There's still a lot of stuff that we still need. We wrote a list and we'll probably go get it. For now, I'm gonna do a mini apartment tour. So I don't know if that will stay there, but for now I put the little glass ball on the glass table. And then this is where I was talking about. I think I wanna put a body mirror right there and then a little either behind the couch table or on that wall table. And then eventually I'll move the little marble statue, but for now I put it right there. We also set up our Wi-Fi box. And then over here, we don't have a utensil organizer, but I think I'm gonna see, oh wait, maybe I'm not gonna put utensils there. I have no clue. Maybe eventually I'll move the oven mitts and see if I can find a utensil organizer small enough to go in here. But I put the little dish towels on this side, hung up some there. Over here, I put all of the cooking utensils. And then over here, a lot of like baking stuff, and then the knife sharpener. Our knives are there for now. Eventually I'll put my Nespresso there. I'm obsessed with the little soap dishes. I think those look so cute. Kitchen is definitely coming together. I'm in love. Okay, and then in here, we already showed the bed. I added the little, what is that called? End of the bed blanket. And I think that looks cute. And then I hung up some hangers for when I eventually organize the closet. And then, Jordan, that actually scared me. Why do you have a ski mask on? Okay, anyways. That was a jump scare. Okay. The bathroom, I'm in love how these things look. I think these are so cute. And then the matching soap dishes, or like soap dispensers to the one in the kitchen. Our towels that I showed in another video. And then the little trash can. I love that. Jesus! Jordan. You have to stop and get mental help because that actually scared me. Oh, he's literally gonna give me a heart attack. Why is he wearing a ski mask? I think though that is everything that we're gonna do for today. All of this stuff is organized. Literally, we have a massive pile of recycling that we need to recycle, but I think it's coming together so nicely. Anyways, it is already like 5:27 somehow. I think we got here at 1:30, so it took a good amount of time to do everything, especially that mattress cover. That was almost my last straw. But anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.